Hey, hi, hello everyone. So many people ask me which language should they use to start their career as an automation tester. They have a huge question mark whether they use Java, Python, or JavaScript. Selecting a programming language is depend on the application on which you are working. So if you have a banking related application, then definitely you should start with Java and JavaScript. If you have a AI-based application or AI and ML-based application, then definitely you should go with Python. You might have a question like, what speed difference I'll get if I use any of these languages? And the answer is there is only milliseconds difference between all these languages. I have one simple example to show you. Here I am writing a code in Java, and in this I am doing a simple thing like I am counting a number from 0 to 1 lakh, and I am counting the total time to execute this code. So let's check. You can see here the total time taken is zero point 0.5 milliseconds. Let's check again. See, the total time taken is zero point 0.4 milliseconds in Java. Okay, so let's check the same in Python. I have the Python code already written. It is same as Java. So let's see the output. You can see zero point 0.6 milliseconds. If I recheck or rerun this same, you see again zero point 0.6 milliseconds. Let's compare this output with the output we have in Java. So you can see here, this is the difference in Python and Java execution. So if you see this, you can see like Java is 4 times faster than Python. Hence, definitely, as I said earlier, if you are working on a banking or finance-based application, you definitely go with Java. And if you are working on AI or ML-based application, then definitely you should go with Python. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.